reform mismo ng party list system law and also the political party system. And then we're also thinking of yung regulating yung function and mandate ng bicameral committee. Kasi
Tama.
napapansin natin na sumusobra. Kasi di ba supposedly yung BICAM, pagkatapos ng yung House bill version ng budget, tsaka nung Senate version ng budget, ay dapat aayusin nila yung mga inconsistent provisions, i-reconcile nila. But hindi lang yan yung nangyayari. At wala pating transparency. They can do anything and everything about the budget kahit dumaan na sa House saka sa Senate. So why not a bill regulating and defining exactly yung breadth and scope of the functions of the bicameral committee?